So when I was a kid, I played quite a bit of Monopoly. My older brother would kick my ass in it, but I really enjoyed playing the game, and it gave me a really good, kind of foundation of what the rules of the real game is, right? Like, this idea that the only way to get ahead is to earn income by pass and go, and then to buy assets. And so the other day I was on Twitter, and there's a guy I follow, his name's Anthony Pompliano, and he just does really great content. But he posted this image, and I read it, and it kind of just hit me. This is what it says. It says, imagine playing Monopoly and never buying any asset or investment that generates income. Imagine you just went around collecting $200, giving your money to the rich, and trying to stay out of jail. That sounds ridiculous, right? That's how most people live their lives. I was like, geez, that's kind of brutal. But at the same time, I think that happens because people don't realize that it's impossible to get ahead if all you're doing is pass and go and never buying any assets. One of the easiest ways to kind of get ahead is owner-occupied real estate. The risk threshold for it is so low compared to any other asset because no matter what, you have to pay for the roof over your head. So you already have that expense whether you own or you don't own. But in this instance, by owning a house, you have the opportunity at the upside of appreciation. And this opens up so many doors for you, right? Like, I know people that have used equity lines to pay off debt. I've known people that have used their equity to help fund a kid's business or college, or to just get you out of a jam. You can start a business with it. There's just so many opportunities. But if all you're doing is pass and go, collecting your paycheck and never buying anything after you pay rent, even if there is a little bit money left over, you're just never going to accumulate enough money to ever truly get ahead. Again, I tell you guys this all the time, like, start with an owner-occupied home. That is the easiest risk-free thing. You have down payment assistance programs, so it virtually takes no money to get into it. And it opens up the doors for a million options. So anyways, guys, I figured telling you about, playing Monopoly as a kid would kind of strike a nerve with all of you guys, because I don't know very many people who haven't played Monopoly, and you guys know the rules to the game. You pass go, you take that $200 and you buy every asset that you come across, and that's how you win. So anyways, I'm always here if you guys got questions.